Hi, do you want to attract more money? Do you know why many people are struggling for lack of money? Because they don't know the science behind money. Watch this video because I'm going to share the science behind money. Hi, today's topic is the science behind money. Especially I want to stress on how to overcome the lack of money. Last week, I was just buying some jewels in a small jewelry shop. And there, I saw a lady who was pledging her jewels, small rings, in fact, of her son. Okay, small rings, very small rings. And she was telling the shopkeeper that I don't have enough money. This money is badly need for me. And she was just bargaining to give more money. And she said, I don't have money. The business is down. And I got so many other issues in family. All this, okay, because of money, because of lack of money. Suddenly I felt that I need to speak to this lady. I said, sister, don't speak negative words about money. Don't ever say I don't have money. Don't ever say my business is going down. And don't have a fear about money. Then I thought, why don't I create a video about this to share to the public? Because there's not just one lady, there are many people struggling on money or lack of money. In fact, when I saw that lady pledging her jewels, I remembered before 2012, in fact, I did all these mistakes. In fact, I sold all my jewels. No, not my jewels, my wife's jewels. And I sold my car, I sold everything. The day I understood the science behind money, the secrets of money, or the secrets of attracting money, believe it or not, everything started to change. I bought back all the jewels, I bought back my car, I bought most of the things. Today, I have no fear about money. I have no fear about lack of money. So what are the mistakes people do and why they are into this trap? The first one comes in my mind is fear of lack of money. Fear. So immediately you have a fear. The moment you don't have money, you have a fear. Oh, I don't have enough money. What will happen tomorrow? What will happen day after tomorrow? What will happen at the end of the month? How will I pay my bills? How will I pay my school fees? How so many questions on will it come to me? If at all I spend this money, whatever I'm left with, if I spend this money, will I get my money back? The mistake what you're doing is when you're vibrating in fear, you're actually vibrating negative. When you're vibrating negative, you attract negative. As I always keep saying, the universe doesn't understand your words. The universe understands only your energy. So the moment you are releasing a negative word, what actually happens to you? You are actually becoming negative. And whatever you are, that's what the universe responds to you. And that's where you attract more problem, more trouble, and you lose more money. Second one, or second mistake, no savings. Many people have this problem. They don't save money. In fact, I learned this from a great mentor, Robert Kiyosaki. 30, 30, 30, 10. In fact, I put the other way, 10, 30, 30, 30. So what is it first? 10. So whatever you earn, 10% goes to charity. 30% for savings. 30% for expenditure. 30% for investment. It's very strict But when you can follow this, you will be immediately out of any kind of trap. And some people may say, sir, I don't have enough money, and you're talking about 10% for charity. First, let me feed myself, then talk about charity. You're mistaking something. When you're giving that money, you're actually giving to the universe. And whatever you sow, you reap 10 folds, 100 folds. Try this magic. Whatever you earn. I remember when there was no money in my pocket, I used to make some $1,000 a day. And even the 1,000 rupees, 100 rupees, I'll keep it apart and I'll just give it to charity. And many times I thought, those times the petrol was like 50 rupees. So I could have put 2 liters of petrol for my bike. But first thing is I used to give that money. And slowly, when I started, what I'm seeing today is my 10% itself is big money. And limit your expenditure within the 30%. So if you're earning only 10,000 rupees, you can only spend 3,000 rupees. I'm sorry. Very difficult. But if you can just practice this, you will see a change. Reduce your expenditures, reduce everything, and try to live in that minimal life. What happens is one fine day you will see you'll have abundance of money. It is not money, more money will make you rich. No. No money will not make you rich, because I've seen so many people, as they earn more, they spend more. As they earn more, they live a lavish life. But end of the day, they don't have any savings. They don't have any investments. Because many people work on wrong formulas. And this one formula changed my life. 30, 30, 30, 10. Follow if you can. Many people are in the rat race. That is, they work on their monthly income. They just focus on the monthly income and they try to spend that money, and they're expecting the next month's salary well in advance. Why? Because you spent all the money what we earned for the month. Many people are working on this rat race. Yes, I was a person when I was working in the government sector. I remember how painful it was. When I went to a corporate world, though I was making more money, but I was still looking for that money. Always try to have a parallel income. Do something extra apart from your regular salary, and just try to see how you can come out of this rat race. So you should not be completely dependent on your salary. Try to work on it. It takes time. Even if it takes 5 years, well and good. You're automatically out of the rat race. So when I turn back my life, I'm out of the rat race. I'm not in the rat race anymore. At least you need to have a savings for 6 months. Why? Because if something goes wrong, because today, why many people into trouble? Because they were working on a rat race. They are working on a monthly model. Okay, every month they have to wait for the monthly salary. And suddenly, when the companies are not able to pay the salary, or suddenly something happened, they are stuck completely. So at least you need to have a backup for minimum of 6 months. You cannot touch that money at any cost. Minimum, that's a minimum. Maximum, you can have anything. Never borrow money at any situation, particularly the credit cards, loans. Avoid all this. Because I've seen many people, so they live a lavish life on the loan, on the credit cards. Biggest mistake. Biggest mistake. They have a big bungalow, they have a big house, they have a big car, they have 2-3 vehicles, everything on EMI. TV, everything on EMI. Mobile phones on EMI. Everything on EMI. Foolish mistake. Why you want to make the bank rich? Save. Save that money and work on it. You want to buy something? Save the money and buy the product. And when you spend your money, you'll understand the pain. And you'll be careful whether to spend this money or to keep the money in your bank. In fact, many people are not aware the credit cards charge you close to 48%. Why do you want to give so much of money to the bank? But when you go for savings, you get only 5%. The fifth and the last, never use negative words. Because I always keep saying, your words have life. Your words have power. In fact, I created more videos on power of words. The words you use against money, negative words about money, is what you are today. Some people say, I don't have money. I'm not earning enough. I'm already in the debt. I'm already having huge loan. The moment you keep on saying this kind of negative words, you will never make money. Because your words create your world. I repeat, your words create your world. Speak prosperity. Speak abundance. Use the rich words. I have enough money. I am making enough money. I will get enough money. Keep on saying this. You will see a change. So what is the science behind this? As I keep saying, money is an idea. Money is an idea. Never work for money. Make money work for you. Yes. Many of us are stuck working for somebody and we become almost like slaves. We make the company rich, but we don't work on our ideas. We don't work on ourselves. We don't try to improve our knowledge about money, or we don't try to improve the knowledge about how to make more money. We just stuck and we are so busy working for somebody. Take some free time and think on some idea. How can I make more money? How can I work on it? Things will automatically change. In fact, many people don't know what is their value. Recently, I met a person in the gym and he said, sir, I spent 7,000 rupees for a party yesterday, for a drinks party. I just laughed at him and asked him, how much do you earn? Then he said, sir, I earn monthly 50,000 rupees. So an approximate of 2,000 rupees per day. That's your salary per day. So you have spent almost 3.5 days salary for maybe 2 or 3 hours of party. So again, if you calculate per hour, you hardly earn 200 rupees. That is maximum 10 hours you work. Okay. So 200 rupees per hour. So how much you spent for 2-3 hours of party? What did you gain out of it? Fun. But today, you don't have enough money to move your life. And always grumbling and crying, I don't have enough money. So be careful when you're spending money. The next one is, money is energy. Money is energy. You attract only that money as per your energy. So whatever is your energy, that is what is your money. So this is what I say is, we are not being taught about what is this money from schools or colleges. We learned it from the society, we learned it from our people around us. And some kind of wrong programmings which has been there in our so-called subconscious mind. And which is deep rooted. And this is where what I do is, we reprogram your thought process. When we reprogram your thought process, everything starts to change. In fact, I shared many videos. They earn more than 10 times of what they were earning before, after attending my program. And I always keep saying, let money work for you and don't make money your master. Don't make money your master. Okay, the reason why I'm sharing all this is not to impress you so that you can attend my program or take my program. No, it is only to share my ideas, because I was into trouble. I was having a lot of problems, and how I came out when I understood this science, when I understood everything is deep within us, everything started to change in my life. In fact, last week somebody called me and said, sir, I was under a huge loss. I'm broke financially, and I was on the verge of committing suicide. I had 2 little kids. So just I was surfing the net and I was looking for something on depression, and luckily your video popped out, and the topic of the video was why suicide. After watching that video, I changed my mind, and today I'm alive because of that video. I was really happy to hear that. That video was created 2 years before, when Cafe Coffee Day, Siddharth committed suicide. That's the time I created this video. And I shared why people commit suicide and how to come out of all this financial problems. And when I created the video and posted on the YouTube, why suicide, YouTube warned me saying that you won't be monetized for this video because suicide is a negative word. I could have actually put something else just for monetization purpose. For me, more than monetization, more than the money part, I was looking for, can I save somebody's life? And when he said that video saved my life, I was so happy. Again, why I'm sharing this is, I'm not here to impress people. I'm not here for more views. I'm here only to transform people's lives. So if you're a person who want to make a difference in your life, only those serious people who want to make a difference in their life, yes, my numbers are flashing here. Please do call me. I'll be there to help you out. Again, as I keep saying, this program is completely online. You can be any part of the world. Still, you can reach me out and I'll be there to help you out. Again, one humble request is please share this video to as many people as you can, so that there are many people who are struggling and they think that there's no solution and then the verge of committing suicide. At least this kind of videos can save somebody's life. Again, hope that you shared this. Thank you for that. Again, Wilfred Stanley signing off from Rapid Mind Power. Bye. Thank you. Have a great day.